everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the magnifier tool in Paint. Start by opening an image or create a drawing in Paint. If your version of Paint includes the magnifier tool, located in the Tools section of the toolbar and click it. Move your cursor over the area of the image you want to examine more closely and click. Paint will zoom in, making it easier to work on fine details and precise edits. You can continue clicking to zoom in further as needed. To zoom back out, use the zoom controls available in Paint, such as the zoom slider in the bottom right corner of the window, or the zoom percentage controls depending on your version of Paint. Take note that zooming only changes how the image is displayed on your screen. It does not affect the actual size or quality of the image itself. And that's it. Thanks for watching.